HobbyKidsTV.
Guys, check it out. I just got this new iRobot Roomba. It's gonna do an amazing job at cleaning our house.
You already have something that cleans the floor.
What?
Flappy!
This Roomba is definitely better than Flappy. Come on. Why don't you guys decide at home?
It's the classic question. Living animals versus technology. Who is going to win? What we're gonna do is we have this section of the carpet kind of blocked off, and we're gonna put 20 Cheerios down on the carpet and see who is better. The Roomba or Flappy. And we're also gonna see other ways that this dog is better than the robot, or this robot is better than the dog. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's do it!
Yeah! Get ready to lose! Yay!
Round one, fight!
Go down, Flappy! But you're so cute, dude.
Yes, I'm so cute. Love me, love me. Nobody can love like Flappy can. I be Flappy. Oh, be Flappy. Easy Flappy, easy Flappy.
Yes, but the robot loves too. Isn't that right, robot? Isn't that right, robot? Oh, nice robot.
Flappy can go down the stairs. Let's see the room will do that.
Mine can too. Okay, maybe not.
Flappy makes an excellent guard dog. Flappy!
Oh yeah? Well, my iRobot makes a way better guard dog.
Exterminate! 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 Exterminate!
Told you! My iRobot doesn't have any stinky accidents around the house.
Aw, Flappy.
Well, maybe he'll leave a battery behind once in a while. Double A.
Well, you can play fetch with HobbyFlappy. Go ahead.
Look at my Roomba.
Really? Oh, I gotta see this. Gotta point him in the right direction.
Go get it. Go get it. See, he's getting it.
Wow.
You're supposed to bring it back. Fetch.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
he's not
vents.
coming back.
Not the vents. Over here. Roomba. Give him bad Roomba.
Flappy makes the best snuggler.
Rock my robot on the desktops. It's not that too.
That's a hard sell. Hard sell.
Fine.
I can give Flappy a bath. Oh, come on, Flappy. Come on, Flappy. Want your bath?
Oh, good boy, good boy. Oh, you like your bed. You're way better than a Roomba.
Well, you can give your robot a bath. Good robot. Oh, good robot.
We can take Flappy for a walk.
Oh yeah? Well, I could take a walk with my Roomba too.
Flappy loves me.
I think my iRobot Roomba is in love with the lamp.
Hey there, would you like to go on a date?
Actually, I'm kind of tied down to my job.
You light up my life. You're the kind of girl that lights up a whole room.
You really sucked me into this conversation.
I really feel a spark between you and me.
Oh, hey, Dad Lamp.
What are you doing talking to this dustbuster?
Oh, he's just my BFF. Dust bunnies forever.
Oh no, I'm in the friend zone.
Aww. Poor Roomba.
You're too good for him, Brightney.
Roomba, hey man. Hey, what happened to your lamp friend over there?
Oh, I think she was just tied down to her job.
I love Flappy because I have a tail.
Oh yes, he has a tail.
Oh, you make me a tail.
Well, mine has a tail too. See? And it spins. And cleans.
HobbyMom is placing 20 Cheerios randomly on the carpet. Oh look, the Roomba's ready. Oh, you see him? He is a robot without emotions. But I think he's, oh yeah, Flappy is ready to hunt these Cheerios like they're small little rabbit morsels. Hobby Pig has found out that this is a double Cheerio.
Oops.
Yeah,
No,
we can't have any doubles. No
It
doubles.
means double points.
This is gonna be a fair challenge. And so yeah, there we go. Random 20 Cheerios, right? Flappy's ready to go. He is hungry for some Cheerios. On your mark, get set, go! Go, Flappy, go! Oh, he's just going over to HobbyMom because she has, nope, he found some. Oh good, I thought he was gonna try to beg for some and he found some on the floor.
What?
Boom! 40 seconds.
Let's see. I don't believe you.
40.2 seconds.
Okay, fine, I believe you.
Wow, and he's still looking for more. He does like a double job of looking for more.
Okay, here's 20 more Cheerios.
20 more Cheerios. Okay, hold Flappy because he's still going. He's still hungry. Okay, randomly spread them out
Okay, ready? Here we go.
on the course.
Birdseed.
Yep.
Very good.
Okay, Roomba.
Now it's time for the Roomba. Let's get ready to rumba.
On your marks.
Oh.
There goes my little Roomba. Come on. Okay, it's going the wrong way.
Yeah, so far it's not looking good for you, HobbyMom.
Wait a minute, is the timer on?
He-
Over there! Come on, robot! Come on!
There he
Yeah,
goes.
get one! Okay, you totally missed that one. Well, if anything, my carpet's getting really clean.
Yeah, it's all about the Cheerios. We don't. These
Fine.
kids spill more Cheerios than any other object in this house.
Come on, Roomba. Come on. There's nothing on the edge, you robot. Come on. Robot.
He's very methodical. I don't think he's picked up one Cheerio yet, has
No,
he?
well,
Oh, look! He
did.
dropped one!
iRobot, come on. You're about to be
Wow.
fired.
He's stuck in a corner. Yeah, technology is just kind of going back and forth. I think it understands the area. Oh wait, never mind. Processing corner. Corner.
wall, you
Processing. It likes to make sure the corner is really,
You
really.
already did that corner. You already did that corner. Why are you doing it again? There's no Cheerios there.
Oh look, I think he knows. He knows something's over here. I think he's trying to attack me. Is what I think he's trying to do. Oh, he just crushed that one. He crushed it to
Oh, but he's in a
pieces.
circle.
Wow.
Loop-de-loop.
So maybe he has to crush them first in order to suck them up. I wonder if he's like, I think I'm in a small triangular pattern, rectangular. Yeah, so far we're in 2.5 minutes. I think we can call it.
Fine.
Safe to say.
HobbyFlappy wins this round.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, look. He's
Wow, he's
going.
picking up the slack of the robot. That's how it's done, robot.
Look at that. Wow.
Look, he's still in the corner again. That corner's gonna be really clean.
That's going one.
So that's it. The differences between Flappy and the Roomba. Leave your comments below. Who do you think is the best thing in the hobby house? Hey, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and check out these other videos to keep the hobby fun going. Oh yeah, and ring the bell after you subscribe. That way you're notified when there's a new video. Bye!